In 1814, London was hit by a disaster so bizarre, it drowned people in beer. A huge beer vat, holding over 3,500 barrels, suddenly exploded. A 15-foot wave of beer crashed through the streets, destroying homes and pubs alike. Entire streets were flooded. At least 8 people drowned, not in water, but beer. For days, the streets smelled like a giant pub. Locals said it reeked of tragedy and ale. No one was ever charged for the disaster. And the Horse Shoe Brewery? They rebuilt. Cheers to that. History has a dark sense of humor. Subscribe for more insane true stories.